Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Infiniti Qx50. The Infiniti Qx50 is the perfect blend of luxury and power. You will be impressed with the Qx50's agile sports sedan-like handling. It comes with a very responsive steering and strong brakes. The Qx50 offers extremely high levels of safety and luxury, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.